Sometimes you will be using Apple iPhone and you will be also having Windows laptop. But Windows iPhone file transfer is little bit difficult. In this video we will be telling about one software that will help you to make this easy. We are going to tell about Fonetool application. To download this application, what you need to do is open any browser. After opening browser, search for Fonetool. When you are searching for Fonetool, you will reach a website like this. Website address is fonetool.com. Here you can see free download option for Windows, and if you want to download it for iOS, click on for iOS, or if you want to download it for Android, click on for Android. Anyways, I am clicking on free download. When you are clicking on that, one file will be downloaded. You need to install that file. After installing, open that application. Now that app is opened. Now you want to connect your iPhone with your computer. I am connecting my computer using data cable. And if you are doing this for the first time, in your phone you can see a pop-up message. There you can see trust and do not trust. You need to click on trust. And it's better to install this application in your Apple iPhone also. Anyways, after that, keep your iPhone aside, and here you can see so many options. If you want to transfer data from your iPhone to PC, down here you can see iPhone to PC option. Just click on this option. When you are clicking on that, here you can see one plus button. Just click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your phone's gallery. From there, you can select photo or video, whichever you want. If you want to select music, here music option is there. Here contacts option is also there. You can select whatever you want. For example, I am selecting these two photos. After that, to transfer these photos to computer, click on OK. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see Start Transfer option. Click on Start Transfer. When you are clicking on that, here you can see Transfer Path. If you want to change, you can change this, or you can keep it like that only. After that, down here you can see Transfer option. Click on Transfer. When you are clicking on that photos will be transferred to your computer. If you want to see that photos, click on View Files, and when you are clicking on that file will be opened. Here you can see that photos. And likewise, if you want to transfer photos or videos from your PC to iPhone, click on PC to iPhone. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here, click on this button. When you are clicking on that, folders in your computer will be opened. You can select any photo or video, whichever you want to send. I am selecting this photo. After that, click on Open button. When you are clicking on that, it will be added. And after that, click on Transfer option. When you are clicking on that, it will be fastly transferred to your iPhone. After that, if you are opening your iPhone, in your gallery, you can see that photo. And here some more options are there. If you want to transfer from iPhone to iPhone, connect next iPhone, and you can transfer from one iPhone to another iPhone. And one more option is there, selective backup. If you want to back up your phone, you can do that also. You can select whichever option you want. If you want to back up only photos, you can select photos, or if you want to back up everything, select music, videos, contacts and messages. For example, I am selecting music only. After that, click on Start Backup option. When you are clicking on that, backup will be started and it will be completed fastly. Now backup is completed. Now in my computer, there is one backup of this iPhone. If I want, I can restore it. And so many other options are also there. If you want to back up your WhatsApp, you can do it with this application. Here you can see WhatsApp Manager. Click on WhatsApp Manager. When you are clicking on that, you can see Backup WhatsApp option. Click on Get Started. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Down here you can see Start Backup option. Just click on the Start Backup, and when you are clicking on that, you will be asked to enter your password. Click on OK. You need to enter your password in your smartphone. When you are entering that password, backup will be started, and after some time, backup will be completed. After that, if you want to restore that, you can click on Transfer WhatsApp and you can restore. And in Toolbox, some other options are also there. If you want to make ringtone, click on Ringtone Maker. And here you can see iOS Data Recovery option. Click on this, and here you can see so many options. If you want to recover any deleted photos or messages, you can recover that. For example, I am selecting photos. After that, click on Start Scan. When you are clicking on that, scanning will be started. Here you can see some deleted photos. Here if you want to recover, you can recover it fastly. Here you can see Photo Duplication option. Sometimes in your phone, there will be so many duplicate photos. If you want to find out that duplicate photos and delete, you can do that. And here you can see one option, HEIC converter. If you want to convert your photos to JPG, JPEG or PNG, you can click on this and convert your photos. Click on add photos and you can convert this photo. Here data eraser option is also there. If you want to erase your private data, click on erase private data, or if you want to delete every data, click on erase all data. I think this is very useful application. So if you are having Windows laptop and Apple iPhone with you, it will be very useful. Try this application. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.